In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of this Ached Away Muscle Scraper. The good people from Ached Away have reached out to me and asked me to review their product. So here we go, because I'm actually excited to do this one. I get asked to do a lot of product reviews and things like that, and I only do things that I'm interested in and that I feel like is going to benefit the audience. And this is something that I've seen these things for a while, these muscle scrapers, but I've never used one. I've been seeing them advertised. It's a myofascial release tool, and I've heard other people say that they're really, really good. So I'm excited. And this one is it's an auto-heated muscle scraper. Of course, there's going to be a link in the description of this video where you can get your own. Let's check it out. It feels pretty, like the box is pretty cool. It certainly doesn't feel cheap or tacky. So it's got one of these little carry cases, which is nice, of course. Alright. Ooh, look at this. It's got a charging cable to it, so it's electric. It's obviously heated. How do you plug it in? Don't know, is that it? There. Oh yeah, there you go. Little USB port for charging. So I actually have to because I know the concept of this, but I might have to have a look up of how you do it. So it's got a sharp end there for getting in, and it's got a rounded end there for not being as intense, and then you've got the rest of it, and you're meant to, oh, that's going to feel good. You're meant to obviously use it with oil. Oh wow, I'm looking forward to this. All right, well, there you go. So first impressions, feels good, feels solid. I'm impressed with the build of it, that's for sure. And to check out my full review, because I'm going to go and give it a whirl now with my wife, and for my full review, click or tap the screen there, and I'll join you in that video.